Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram Om. Hari Om to everybody.
Badi Pushpaji knows because she can't even know.
Whether we are an individual or an organization, Papa puts on severe test. It may be very difficult for us to easily reconcile with the situation. But at such times, we should intensify our faith in Him, because we do not know what is in store. He knows. Today somebody sent an email stating that the granny, grand old mother, used to write Ramnam. But as she was pretty old, what she wrote was not readable to anybody else. So probably her grandson or granddaughter happened to look at the book and told, when you cannot write properly, what is the use of writing? You know what she immediately said? Me and Ram knows that is enough. That much of faith we should have, She did not take it as an offending remark, nor did she justify anything, but she brought out the truth in a simple way. Ram knows in what way we can write. That doesn't matter for him. What matters is our connection. So in times of crisis, we as devotees somehow try to intensify our faith in Him. Though from the Vyavaharic angle we may not be able to reconcile. One more incident in Karnataka. There was an engineering student named Sukumar. He couldn't pay the fees, and therefore he had to break away from the course. He returned to his native place. His mother was a heart patient. So he thought, if I stay with her and it will be helpful for her. Then somehow started looking for a small job. One hospital offered him a security man's job. One day, it so happened, so many vehicles will come. One scooter was placed in a particular spot where it should not have been placed. So, one young lady had kept this. So he said, please remove this and keep it there. Somehow the lady felt offended and she gave me a slap. The boy did not react. With a heavy heart, he came back to the hospital. Somehow, somebody had taken a video clip and it became viral. Social media. Somebody sitting in Dubai, he saw the video. Immediately he tried to get the address of the hospital and then contacted God and told him, I will offer you a job in Dubai. I will send all the papers. Then he immediately said, my mother is not well. She has to undergo a heart surgery. I am in the midst of that. After hearing this, when this was also flashed, people came in to support for his mother, and then it was successfully done, the surgery, and the boy got a ticket and placement in Dubai. He has gone there and now it works. Now you see the apparent cause was the lady giving a slap. In our language, it is something. She should be punished, we will say. So God has to create some situation which we normally name it from the Vyavaharic point as negative or disturbing or distressing or frustrating. But then, especially in times of crisis like such situation in one's life or in an organization's life, if we are in a position to pull such incidents into our mind, though we may not know the immediate cause, we will know ultimately it will be for the good. Even if somebody dies, even if somebody is saved, there should be a purpose. Because everything happens only by His way. For a realized sage, it is easy to accept it. When the Udyogashara caught fire, Papa did not run up. He was able to understand it. And later on, the Udyogashara was reconstructed with a higher capacity. So in order to double its capacity, the fire was caused. That Papa was able to understand, the rest of the people were not able to understand. So all these things teach us that don't be carried away by what is happening at the surface level. There should be a purpose. There should be a purpose. There should be a purpose. I don't know what the reason is. But incidents like this, these two incidents came today through email. Because actually the Dubai man was able to immediately connect it. God has prompted him, So many things are coming into social media. So what? A person sitting in Dubai, how he has expressed, for no reason, somebody was insulted. That immediately touched my heart. Then we could calculate why this boy, such a young boy, and he did not react in the same tone. This touched his heart. Had he given a slap back, probably this would not have happened. It is a problem between individual to individual. We will consider it like that. We will never consider the hand of God. They are working out their private program. But here it is not like that. A seemingly a negative situation turns to become the turning point in one's life. Not only in one's life, his mother's operation. One slap. So in 2021 October, he went to Dubai. So this had happened, this is 2021, we are in November, the last month. Today, 2021 October, this month only. This month, correct, this month. So all these had happened in this 2021. 2 months back or 3 months back or 4 months back. So the operation ends. So we should be guided. Papa puts all of us into severe test. So at the same time he is giving us such anecdotes so that we will try to reconcile, we will try to bring into our mind. Just like that boy could accept the slapping, we should be able to accept the shocks he gives. There is one more article we thought we would share with you today. Everything is His grace. That is the title. Everything, from this magnificent body to every breath of air that we breathe, is all from the Creator, totally free, unconditionally provided to us by Him. Yes. Dwelling on this will also help. I did not plan for my birth. I was not consulted, as Nisargadatta Maharaj says, I was not consulted whether I should have this birth. He caused my birth, which I don't need anybody to tell, which I don't need anybody to refer to any granthas. From my own experience, I can say that my birth was not caused by me. About my birth, I was not consulted. The present me, the present me was not consulted whether I should have this birth or not. Because the present me came into existence only after 3-4 years of my entry into this world. The present me. A me which plants, a me which desires, a me which has got cravings, a me which has got likes and dislikes, a me which has got rights and wrongs, preferences, priorities, attachments, aversions. It was not there. When He is the cause, when I know that He is the cause, should I not accept that He is the cause for everything? I am the person who complains or grumbles about what is happening. At the same time, I know that even my own birth is not caused by me. So how can I attribute the outer happenings to something else, some other factor? No. So we can say, infer, He should be the cause. At this moment we can say, He should be the cause. And then we come to know, it should be for the welfare of that particular soul, individual. If we could only realize this and appreciate it in our daily life, then every moment of our life would be filled with nothing but gratitude, which is a state of being with Him. Another dimension is burning. Gratitude, which is a state of being with Him. Normally gratitude means, we may not understand. And thank you. That's all. That's the only. Every morsel we eat, every drop we drink, every little help that we receive from a fellow being, we shall take it as provided by Him. It is only when we feel that we must get a particular thing as our birthright, or since we have paid for it, we get upset and feel cheated. If we were to accept them as they really are, then we would be grateful for everything and to everyone, for He Himself has come to us in the form of our servant, driver, watchman, gardener, neighbor, relative, friend, child, or spouse. We have seen, when a calamity happens, we name it as a calamity because it is something that disturbs us. But at the same time, initially we may be carried away by it. And later on we see how it has touched and kindled so many souls to immediately rush up and try to do whatever they can. A field has to be provided. So the so-called negative setup, negative happening, is the field provided to us by Him. Very difficult to accept it like that, but that is the truth. When we are in trouble or depressed, we need not go to any place or person for help is at hand. It is closer to us than we could ever imagine for it within us. Whenever there is a problem, there is not only something to do, but also to know and learn, for there is a hidden opportunity in each crisis. Think few years back when we were just 2 cells old, still within our mother's womb, who or what protected us? We could have been drowned by a drop of water. Who was it that guarded us and made us into a mighty human being now? Have faith in that force within. Have faith in that force within that helped us, whether we like it or not, whether we are aware of it or not, whether we accept it or not, or we are the loving child of this almighty force. So when my time is up, He will naturally come. I need not grumble and complain. Because it was he who planned my life, no? The present me did not plan for my life. So he planned my life. He will bring about circumstances in such a way, get up and come back. You know? As Puja Swamiji said, our own real home. So we are praying to him. You are subjecting us to go through many, many trying moments. Give us that poised approach so that we don't disconnect ourselves from him. It is difficult to accept certain words of Mahatma. Papa is there, suffering is the spice of life. You know? But that is the truth. When we look back our own life, we have witnessed so many such trying moments. And there was a learning behind it. In order to make us learn that, he has brought it out. So we deeply ponder, yes, what is. Our faith in Ramnam probably is being tested. Our faith in God is tested because we think that when we pray it should be heard by him. You know? We don't accept as what he plans. Just like that mother said, me and Ram knows. You know? It was a wonderful revelation. It came in today's email. So that means when you chant or when you write, the connection should be felt, you know. That's why she was able to spontaneously say that. For others, she's wasting her life. It doesn't look readable. Probably because of old age, you know, she is not pleased. Her mind is wavering, her mind is not able to take decision, and we are all intelligent people. We know how to write, how to present. These are the things which we have. But a simple, spontaneous answer from her. It's still coming back to us again and again and again. Me and Ram knows. So how I write, what I write, doesn't matter. To have that connection, I do something with my hand. That's all. To establish that connection, you may call it as writing or something like that. All these things she did not say. No, we are trying to understand her untold language. So then, today when it came, these two incidents, it was just reminded to us. Behind the apparent disturbing situations, let us try to understand that he is the master. His will alone prevails. Whatever he prompts from within, we do that and leave it to him. He may give us to pass through anxious moments, stressed moments, but immediately we can pull back and say, oh, you are teaching me, because when you have compassion for somebody, naturally there will be stress. You are not a stony-hearted person. But at the same time, he will ensure that we don't get lost in it. By bringing all these incidents. Keep connection with me, whatever may be the outer situation. This is the call he gives. 2 days back we were going through, I find him everywhere. The main theme was constant remembrance. So constancy can be maintained only by identifying with all objects, all situations, all individuals. Whether it is positive or negative. So we were trying to go through first at home. We try to take up in the next few days, one by one. And in order that we get stabilized in this constancy, God in His own mysterious way makes us aware of His play. Through His creation. We saw that lady, the granny, and the young boy who had to face the most painful, who had to go through a most painful experience. And luckily, God did not prompt him to react in the way in which normally we react on the individual level. Because a mother needs treatment, he needs effacement. So, a seemingly most disturbing situation proved to be a turning point in the life of the boy. And the granny teaches us that everything he knows. So it's a reminder, when you chant Ram Nam, when you write Ram Nam, when you are thinking about Ram Nam, when you are talking about Ram Nam, keep this in your mind. That he should hear our Ram Nam. He should read our Ram Nam. We are doing it only for that purpose. We are not doing it for anything else. Apparent cause will be Mataji's clarion call to all of us for Ram Nam for Vishwashanti. Apparently. But the real purpose is to remember, to keep alive the connection we have with Him. These two are the messages given to us today. Let us try to ponder over deeply. These two incidents, it is striking. That means what I should do, everything I should do to keep my contact with Him. Irrespective of what the situation may be, irrespective of the treatment meted out to me by anybody, I still should not lose my connection with Him. And the second incident we saw that he will in his own way create a problem and solve it. That is all for today. Tomorrow we will see. Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Om 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 राम जय राम जय राम ओम श्री राम जय राम जय राम ओम श्री राम जय राम जय राम ओम। हरि ओम।